What's the meaning of administratively? Administratively. 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 Administratively refers to actions or decisions related to the management or organization of an institution, company, or government agency. It often involves tasks such as setting policies, allocating resources, and supervising personnel. The result of administrative work can be increased efficiency, streamlined operations, and improved communication within the organization. However, poor administrative practices can lead to confusion, inefficiency, and disorganization. Ultimately, the success of an institution relies heavily on effective administrative practices.